Hello, in this short video we're going to continue talking about Persepolis. The chapter that follows is the heroes. In this chapter, the political prisoners are liberated and two of the freed prisoners are friends of the family. They invite Mosen and Shamak over. Mosen tells them about the painful torture he endured. At first, Margie takes the horrific torture methods and turns it into a game to play with her friends. But later that night, she feels overwhelmed and tries to find comfort with her mom and with God. Moscow. In this chapter, Margie is upset because his dad never went to prison, so he wasn't a hero for her. Luckily for her, her uncle Anush was, and he was recently liberated and joined Margie and his family for meeting. He told Margie the story of how he get to prison and all that he has been through the last years. The ship. While Uncle Anush stays with the family, Margie listens to all political discussions. As the Islamic Revolution takes power, people flee Iran in groups, including Margie's friends and many of her family members. Her family stays, even though all the former revolutionaries who were freed, including Uncle Anush, are enemies of the government again. One day, Margie comes home from school to find Anush is gone. Later, his father told him that Anush was arrested. He's allowed to talk to one person in prison and he wants to talk to Margie. Later, they found out that he's executed.